Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to put new headlight bulbs in a Mark 6 Ford Fiesta. We noticed that 96.5% of people are not subscribed, and we would like to up that number as it really helps us get these videos out quicker and in a better quality. So if you can, please like, subscribe, even throw a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let's get right into this tutorial. We need to open the bonnet. You can do this using the bonnet latch located underneath the glove box in the passenger side of the car. You need to pull the bonnet latch above the grille to release the bonnet. The grille is clipped on in 6 places. Gently pry at the grille until all these clips release. To remove the headlight, you'll have to loosen these 3 screws. They are Torx T30 screws. There's one at the bottom, one at the middle, and one at the top. Now that these screws are gone, the headlight should slide out smoothly. Be sure to unhook the connector for the lights. Here we have the Osram Cool Blue Boost. These are not road legal, so be aware of that. The link to these will be in the description. When taking them out of their package, make sure not to touch the glass of the bulb, as it could shorten its lifespan dramatically. You now want to gently pull your old light bulb from its socket. Gently wiggle it out. If this light bulb is still good, be sure to store it in a safe place. If it is not, dispose of it safely. Take your new light bulb, again, do not touch the filament, and gently slide it into the socket. Once you have it in securely, try and slide it into the center of the headlight, and make sure not to let the headlight touch the new bulb. These 3 contacts are the only thing that should come in contact with the headlight. Once you've put the clip back down, the headlight is now fully fitted with your new bulb. Take your water cover and put it back on. It should twist clockwise and lock into position. Be sure to plug the entire headlight back in. The headlight should slide in smoothly so that your 3 screws fit back in nicely. Take your T30 Torx screws and screw the headlight back in. Be sure to seat the grille underneath the bonnet latch, as this will be an absolute disaster to get back out if it's underneath the grille. Once you hear two loud clicks, that's when you know the grill is fully set.